Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another let's try and first impressions video for you. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna call it. It is a lip mask. I think I did a lip mask before, but I'm not really sure. If I did, I will link it here. If not, not. So this is the lip mask by Project Lip. Prep the Pout, hydrating, smoothing, and collagen infused mask. I got this in a little fantastic box, literally this month, so I will link it here. So very sleek packaging, and on the back it says how to use it. Literally, it says how to use me. Number 1, gently remove film from both sides of gel mask and apply to dry and chapped lips. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes while I do my thing. Remove and pat lips to absorb excess serum. So it contains 1 lip mask. This hydrogel lip mask will leave you with a smooth, plump, and kissable pout. That's basically all it says. I don't know if this is cruelty free or not, but I'm gonna try it. Have a mirror here, obviously. So let's open this up. That smells weird. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like. And I can't get this off. Oh, I can. Oh, we open it up like this, see? This is the mask. Then you just have to remove this. And you have to remove the other side. And this is what you put on. So.
One eternity later.
Oh my god, I can finally speak again. So this is what the mask, I had to readjust it. So it already has holes in. You could have told me there is no way to speak, you know? And also there's no residue. It's been on for like 17 minutes. There's no residue. Yeah, well, first off, if you wear this, you can't talk. In case you haven't noticed that. I didn't know that. You know, I wanted you like, okay, this feels good, or it's too slippery, whatever. I couldn't. You know, I think it's been a long time since I've been quiet for like 15 minutes. You could have told me that, okay? But on that, it has some scent to it. I don't really know what that scent is. But if you're a bit sensitive or allergic to certain things, this might not be for you. What are the ingredients? Oh my god, way too many. Okay, so it wasn't slippery or anything. I mean, it felt a bit weird. It felt like a gel thing, but it stayed put. Of course, yeah, you know, I went and obviously talked to my dog because he was just not having it, and he wanted a treat. And I was like, "You want a treat?" It didn't work, so I took it off and then put it on again. If you have to talk and you're like, okay, I'm going to use this for relaxing evening on the couch while talking to someone, this is not working. Maybe that's good, you know, maybe people are happy that you finally keep your mouth shut. People are probably happy that I finally kept my mouth shut. On that, it feels good. It tastes a bit weird, you know, like I said, you have that like perfumey taste in your mouth, and whenever you talk, you get that. You just get that taste in your mouth. It's yeah. I think you understand it. As for my lips, they are a bit smoother. They're not really moisturized. At least it doesn't feel like it. I think they look the same. A bit smoother. But then again, my lips weren't like completely chapped. They were a bit dry, a bit crusty over here, and that is actually okay. So, yeah. I don't know how the collagen thing works, you know. I don't think one mask is enough for me to say, oh, this works nice and it's plumping and it's getting rid of my fine lines and whatever. One mask is not enough. But it was okay to use. Like, I don't have any problem with it. so far, no allergic reaction. I will report back on that. I will write it in the info box probably. Yeah, it was nice to use. My dog looked at me like I was a weirdo because, you know, I mean, I was looking at him, but I couldn't talk, and he was like, "What the hell are you doing?" But overall, I enjoyed it. You know, it's nothing that I would purchase on the regular because, you know, I use a chapstick. But yeah, you know, it's a nice pampering moment for yourself, basically. So if you want to try it, sure, give it a shot. Again, if you're sensitive to anything with perfume in or scent in general, maybe not get it. So that was it. That was my last try and first impression. So far, like I said, I like it and I will report back on it. It's okay. Also, I can't complain about it. So let me know if you tried any lip masks. If you tried this lip mask, I mean, that would be nice so we can actually talk and exchange our like impressions, whatever. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel already, and see you next one. Bye. Also, I feel like this is crooked a little. This hydrogen